Good morning, everybody. Honorable Minister for Human Resource Development, Srimati Smita Subin Irani ji, Guest of Honor Dr. Narendra Kohli ji, our special guest, His Excellency Lim Tuan Kwan, High Commissioner, Republic of Singapore, His Excellency Lee Jung-gyu, Ambassador, Republic of South Korea, and Sri Satyanarayan Mohanty, Secretary Higher Education, Ministry of HRD, Sri J.S. Deepak, CMD, ITPO, my colleague, Dr. M.A. Sikandar, Director, NBT, other dignitaries in the audience, ladies and gentlemen. I'm extremely happy to greet you all on the occasion of the inauguration of the current edition of the New Delhi World Book Fair. The first book exhibition of NBT was held way back in 1964, and during the 5 decades that have gone by, the modest book exhibition of the 60s has bloomed into the prestigious New Delhi World Book Fair in its present form, which is now being regarded as the major book event among the Afro-Asian countries in terms of public participation and support.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to welcome the Honorable Minister of Human Resources Development of the Government of India to the World Book Fair 2015, organized by the National Book Trust in association with the Indian Trade Promotion Organization at Pragati Maidan. I am thankful to the Minister for sparing her valuable time to be with us on this occasion. The Honorable Minister, as you know, is a charismatic leader who is in the vanguard of the efforts of the government to take education and quality learning to even the most disadvantaged. She is, in fact, leading a human resources reform agenda which will remove the asymmetry of information and knowledge, which in turn leads to the asymmetry of opportunity.
Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development, Government of India, Srimati Smriti Subin Irani, His Excellency High Commissioner of Singapore to India, Mr. Lim Tuan Kwan, representing the guest country, His Excellency Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to India, Mr. Lee Jung-gyu, representing the focus country, eminent author Sri Narendra Kohli ji, Chairman National Book Trust, Sri A. Setu Madhavan, CMD ITPO. It's a matter of great pleasure to share my thoughts at the inauguration of New Delhi World Book Fair 2015, organized by the National Book Trust of India, an organization under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, which has steadfastly driven the World Book Fair New Delhi for the last 40 years. NDWBF is one of the most looked forward to as an event in the cultural calendar of the country, and the successful and continuous holding of the New Delhi World Book Fair by National Book Trust in India since 1972 most certainly deserves our appreciation and encouragement.
My dear students, book lovers, participants, and ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. Very good morning to you all. I guess maybe most of you know the name of South Korea, mainly through Samsung mobile phone, LG TV, or Hyundai cars. But our two countries, Korea and India, our two peoples, Korean people and Indian peoples, have been connected since very long time ago, traced back almost 2,000 years ago. In the year 48 AD, one very beautiful Indian princess made her long journey up to Korean peninsula and married the Korean king. They made a very big family clan in Korea. The number of the family clan is more than 1/10 of total Korean population. I am one of them.
In inaugurating the 23rd edition of the New Delhi World Book Fair, Singapore is proud and honored to be the guest of honor country of the fair this year, and I would at the outset like to thank Her Excellency Ms. Smriti Irani for inviting us to be the first Asian country to be accorded this special privilege. I would also like to thank the National Book Trust of India for working tirelessly to organize the fair and for the warm hospitality shown to the delegation from Singapore. The New Delhi World Book Fair has grown significantly since its conception in 1971 and is now recognized as one of the major literary fairs in the international calendar.
देखिए, बंगला के एक उपन्यासकार हैं विमल मित्र, उनकी पुस्तक है राजा बदल। उसमें एक अध्यापक अपने शिष्य की बेटी के लिए लड़का देखने के लिए गया है और कहता है कि लड़का सुंदर भी है, सुशील भी है और धनी भी है, सब कुछ है, पर विवाह वहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए। शिष्य ने पूछा क्यों? तो उनका उत्तर था कि जहाँ लाखों रुपयों की डेकोरेशन पीसेस, शोभा की वस्तुएं हैं, वहाँ एक भी पुस्तक नहीं है।
इस मंच पर कुछ दिल से बोले एक ऐसे लेखक जो प्रतिष्ठित भी हैं, प्रतिभाशाली भी हैं, और आज इस मंच से उन्हें आश्वस्त करना चाहती हूं कि भले ही सरकारें बदल जाती हैं, लेकिन संस्कार, सभ्यता और संस्कृति कभी नहीं बदलती। हाई कमिश्नर सिंगापुर, एम्बेसडर रिपब्लिक ऑफ साउथ कोरिया, एक भावना हम सब में थी और हम में से कई लोगों ने इस बात को पढ़ा होगा कि भारत एक ऐसा सिविलाइजेशन है जिसने वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की कल्पना पूरे विश्व को दी। और आज एम्बेसडर ली की जो हमने आप बीती सुनी, उनके रूट्स के बारे में जो सुना, उसको सुनने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि इस मंच से एम्बेसडर ली को उनके ननिहाल में मैं स्वागत करूं। I am apologetic to all the international dignitaries, diplomats who have assembled in the World Book Fair today, that I speak in my national language, and I'm sure there are many in this audience who can translate for you. I've had an esteemed writer put on a public forum a few grievances, and as a member representing the Government of India, which seeks to deliver easy and timely solutions, there are certain assurances that I seek to give him in Hindi. नरेंद्र कोहली जी ने इस वक्त अपने उद्बोधन में इस पीड़ा को व्यक्त किया कि क्यों रेलवे स्टेशन पर, एयरपोर्ट्स पर हमें सभी भाषाओं में, मात्र अंग्रेजी में नहीं बल्कि सभी भारतीय भाषाओं में कभी किसी किताब से परिचय करने का मौका नहीं मिलता। कोहली जी, टेक्नोलॉजी का ऐसा आशीर्वाद है कि जब आप मंच पर बोल रहे थे तो मुझसे 2 कुर्सी दूर मेरे सचिव उच्च शिक्षा के जो विराजित हैं, उनको मैंने मैसेज किया कि आज के इस कार्यक्रम के बाद हम तुरंत रेल मंत्रालय और सिविल एविएशन मंत्रालय से स्वयं संपर्क करके यह आग्रह करेंगे कि एनबीटी का बुक स्टॉल राष्ट्र के सभी एयरपोर्ट्स पर, राष्ट्र की सभी रेलवे स्टेशंस पर उपलब्ध हो। मात्र एनबीटी की किताबें नहीं बल्कि राष्ट्र भर में सभी पब्लिशर्स से सभी भाषाओं में हम अनुरोध करेंगे कि वो सभी भाषाओं में, चाहे वो प्रादेशिक भाषा हो, चाहे वो ट्राइबल डायलेक्ट हो, अपनी किताबों को इस स्टॉल के माध्यम से उपलब्ध कराएं।
Development. Today's guest of honor, Narendra Kohli, special guest on this occasion, the High Commissioner of Republic of Singapore, the Ambassador of Republic of Korea, our Honorable Education Secretary, Mr. Satyanarayan Mohanty, and our Mr. J.S. Deepak, our CMD of ITPO, our Chairman NBT, Syed Madhavan, the delegates from the guest of honor country, and the delegates from focus country, and the President of Korean Publisher Association, and the delegates from Republic of China and many other countries, senior functionaries of the Government of India, office bearers of various publishers and federation and association and authors guild, all the participants, principals, teachers, professors, deans and the vice chancellors assembled here for this occasion. On behalf of the National Book Trust of India, being the organization of this mega book event, it is my privilege to present the vote of thanks on the occasion. We are really grateful to the Honorable Minister for sparing her most valuable time to be with us on this inaugural function.